So I have this Yamaha amp. I bought it in the 90s, maybe 96 or something. And it has worked always. But I was moving it a couple of months ago and one of the speaker cables was loose and it clipped. And it blew out this channel. And there's the transistors. And it blew two of those. And I think it blew that fuse, 2 amp fuse. I ordered 2 of these transistors matched pair and it blew them again. Then I ordered more and I changed all of these because it blew all of those on the second time. Then I noticed that there is 2 diodes there. They are Schottky diodes. And it was like dark behind that. So I knew that those have blown. So I ordered those and waited again a long time. And then I put everything back. New diode, 2 diodes, 4 transistors, 2 match pairs. And then I measured. You need to measure these white resistors so that they look the same, the working one and the non-working one. So everything looks the same, every resistor, nothing is blown or short or. And then I just put it on, and I actually, which is a good idea to put 1 amp fuse if it is 2 amp fuse. If there's another problem, it doesn't blow so easily. So now there's actually 1 amp and it works, at least at low volumes. Then I just put it, and now when I put it on, it starts like this kind of 2 clicks. The second click is the amp protector circuit coming off. So first is click, click. That's the protector circuit coming off. There is some sort of protect. That never came. When this was faulty, it didn't come out of that protector circuit loop. And how I measured that if those are failed. So this is basically 1 matched pair. This was probably NPN transistor and this is PNP. So in push-pull amp, the sine wave, when the amp makes this sine wave, and this is like the 0 level. The other amp transistor is doing the above sine wave and this is doing the bottom. And they are matched, so they would sort of line up here pretty good. So if we put this to resistor area, and in this is the base where the signal comes, and the center one I think is the collector and this is the emitter. What the fuck? What is different? Like this. So that is not good. In the amp, I actually removed one of these pins to see that as you see, this is totally sorted out. And that's why the auto heatsink gets super hot, because it's sorted out. And here we have the new one. And as you see, this doesn't. This is working one. It cannot be so that the. Let's try with the diode area. So the collector to emitter cannot be like. This can be, because this is. These are correct for this type of transistor. Because there's like two diodes basically in here. In the diode measurement area. But anyway, if this kind of blown one, and you see it in both ways, this is totally sorted, so in it, any way it has continuity. That's broken. I have some spares again of these. And then we check the Schottky diode. So this is the Schottky diode. And in the diode, when you have that line, it is saying it's the negative side. So no continuity this way. But this way it should work. Yes. So that is a working diode. I don't know where I put the actually the broken diode, but anyway, those diodes, they has continuity to both ways. And if you find that one, it's broken. It's sorted out. So that's why I changed these. And that's basically the fix: 4 transistors and 2 diodes. And that's about it. Now the amp works again. Bye.